Click the link in the document and you will get to this sign in page. Type in your Stonyhurst school number, the @ symbol, and then stonyhurst.ac.uk. This is your school email address. Then click Next. Then put in your password in the format in the document you have been given and press Sign In. It might ask you whether you want to stay sign in. Just click the Don't Show This Again box and then Yes. And you'll be able to see this page. At this point, if you're going to be away from Stonyhurst for some time, then you should probably click Get the Windows app, or if you're on a Mac, it will say Get the Mac app. Or you can just go to the web app and you can immediately see all of your teams.